Oldcastle Infrastructure is growing, big time. Through diversification and smart strategic planning, we have evolved into your total infrastructure solutions provider. We now have the expertise, the products, the services, and the scalability to solve your biggest challenges. So we are all about you. We are your strategic company. We are your solutions company for water, for energy, for transportation, for communications, and a whole lot in between. Oldcastle Infrastructure is your established, dependable source. As a proud CRH company, the leading building materials business in the world, Oldcastle Infrastructure is aligning with our parent company's vision to stand together and reinvent the way the world is built. Our new look moving forward mirrors our corporate mission, connecting 360 degrees with our customers to strengthen communities all across North America with total infrastructure solutions. With a network of nearly 80 manufacturing facilities, more than 4,000 employees, and 2,000 distributors, all with a safety-first mindset, we are here for you. We represent the products and services you need, where you need them, when you need them. That's why we rule the excavation envelope. We have a full breadth and scope of capabilities and goods you may not even know you need when you go underground. The manufacturing know-how, the local logistics, the technology, the thought leadership, the focus on sustainability, and above all, the people who realize we are a part of something bigger than our own business. People who are committed to getting to the heart of the problem and delivering solutions others may not, because our customers deserve nothing less. That's why we give you more, and that's our promise. We are Oldcastle Infrastructure, a CRH company known worldwide for providing trusted partnerships and full-scale solutions. Now, let's start a conversation. Learn more about our solutions at oldcastleinfrastructure.com.